Can you believe this creamy restaurant-style pasta was right in my kitchen without cream or cheese? Now, let me show you how I pull this off using simple homemade ingredients right from my kitchen. Hello cooking vloggers, welcome back to my channel, my kitchen. Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, like and share this video, guys. And if you are new here, a very warm welcome to you. Please hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification to get notifications from this channel. So without wasting much time, guys, let's dive right straight into the video. So just like you've seen, I made use of pasta, egg, a little carrot for garnishing, powdered milk, onion, black ground pepper, thyme, nutmeg, curry, garlic, salt, and our star, margarine. So nothing fancy, just flavor. So first thing first, we start by breaking our egg into a bowl. So for this part, it's nothing serious. Just whisk your egg, add in your ground black pepper, salt, and milk, and give that a very good whisk. Now in a pan, go in with your margarine. You can equally add a little bit of vegetable oil. Just let this oil go round the pan. So once melted, pour in your whisked egg. For me, I love it brown, so I let this sit for some minutes in a medium heat, and then you can do whatever you want. At this point, I just had to fold this egg because there's a reason for this. So just fold, make sure you allow this cook on both sides. Taste the joy, feel the love, family at the core, from your children to the world. So after about 3 minutes, our fried egg is ready. Yeah, that's what we're for. Now let's go straight to the pasta making. In a pot, pour in water enough to boil the pasta properly. Go in with a bit of salt, to vegetable oil. So once boiled, pour in your pasta. So for this recipe, I made use of 250 grams of pasta. Just pour that in, just like so, and let this boil for about 10 minutes. We adore cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. 10 minutes later, pasta is already boiling. Just drain out the water, but reserve a little because of course this is creamy pasta. So it's time to chop garlic and onion. You can chop it according to your preferred size. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love, family at the core, from your children to the world, flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah. Taste the joy, feel the love, from your children to the world, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love, family at the core, from Nigeria to the world, flavor we adore, cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah. After chopping, let's make our base for the creamy pasta. In a small bowl, go in with 1 cup of powdered milk. You can make use of liquid milk because of course I'm going to add water to this, just as you are seeing. Add a tablespoon of cornstarch to this and make sure you mix this properly because we don't want our cream to get lumpy. So remember, we are making use of 250 grams of pasta for this recipe. So that's why we are going in with 1 cup of powdered milk and a tablespoon of cornstarch. So at this point, if you know your spoon can't do justice to the mixing, just change like me. Make use of a whisk and whisk this until smooth and creamy. So after making the cream, you want to go ahead and put a pan on fire. Go in with a tablespoon of margarine. You can make use of butter, but we are making use of homemade ingredients, hence the margarine. Saute your onion, pour in your garlic, and just keep frying this. So at this point, if you're making use of your scotch bonnet pepper, go in with it and keep frying this until translucent. Come inside the door, taste the joy, feel the love, family at the core, from Nigeria to the world, flavor we adore. Once Sounds fragrant. Going with the milk mixture. Just keep pouring it little by little. Make sure you cook this in a low medium heat and do not stop stirring because we don't want our milk mixture to get burnt. So just keep stirring and stirring and stirring. So at this point, if you find your mixture too thick, go with a bit more water while continuously stirring.
Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah. Cooking vlogs.
Now go in with your ground black pepper and do not forget to keep stirring. Just stir this so that everything can go round. Now you can go in with your seasoning cube, but this is totally optional. So here I poured in a little dry thyme. Fresh thyme is highly recommended for this recipe, but you know we are using simple homemade ingredients. But anyways, this still bangs. Now going with your curry powder. Take note, you can as well bloom the spices, but I prefer to go this way. After which you can go in with your powdered nutmeg. Do not forget, keep turning, keep turning. So at this point, it's time for our pasta to get mixed with the cream. Going with the pasta, and you see that water we saved earlier, I mean the pasta water. Pour that water in, a little bit of it though, and gently stir this pasta. Because we want all of the cream to marinate this pasta. After stirring this, to cook for extra 3 minutes.
From Nigeria to the world, flavor we adore. Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah.
Later, our homemade creamy pasta is ready, done and dusted. You too can make your own creamy pasta at the comfort of your home. And guess what? With simple everyday kitchen ingredients.
Cooking joy together, the love is all.
Now plating time. My not so perfect but try moment. Gently place this pasta on the plate, drizzled a little of that creamy sauce over it, then added my neatly cut fried rolled eggs. Wow. Okay, next I added the carrots side by side. Disclaimer, plating is not my thing. Please let me know in the comment section, how did I do with my plating? We are not done. No, arranging the carrots side by side. Next I did was I spread in some fresh neatly cut parsley, and here we are guys, 29,000 Nigerian naira looking plate made with ingredients you already have at home. Let me ask you this question again, how did I do with my plating? Please leave me a comment in the comment section.
Cooking vlogs.
If you've watched till this time, I appreciate you all. Give me a kiss emoji under the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. You know what? I love you all. Bye.
Cooking vlogs and lots more. Yeah, that's what we're for. Yeah. Cooking